The martyrdom of Sharif Osman Hadi, a leader of the July popular uprising and spokesperson of the Inqilab Mancha, marks a credible turning point in Bangladesh political trajectory. After being shot in Dhaka on December 12, Hadi fought for his life for 6 days before succumbing to his injury. Authorities have identified Faisal Masood alias Daud Khan, a leader of the Bangladesh Chhatra League (BCL), the youth wing of the authoritarian and fugitive former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina Wajid, as the prime minister suspect. His immediate flight to India has further intensified suspicions of external involvement in the assassination. This is a strong reason to believe that this targeted killing was designed to plunge Bangladesh into uncertainty, chaos and instability. Coming on the very day the general election date was announced, the attack appears carefully calibrated. The timing and the target together signals a dual message. Firstly, to the caretaker government that genuinely free and independent elections will not be tolerated, and secondly to the country's youth that transformative political participation will be made dangerously costly. Analysts see the assassination as yet another attempt by India to obstruct the rise of independent and people-centric politics in Bangladesh, because genuine democracy in the country would erode long-standing Indian dominance in the region. Chief Advisor Muhammad Yunus captured the national mood by mourning Hadi as an immortal soldier in the struggle against fascism and hegemony. His words resonated deeply with the society already shaken by delayed reforms and unresolved questions of sovereignty. The unrest following Hadi's death reflects a broad coalition of students, civic activists, cultural voices, and ordinary citizens asserting ownership of their political future. This is not religious extremism, but a democratic awakening rooted in dignity, identity, and sovereign choice. The anti-India sentiment surfacing on the streets of Bangladesh must be understood through decades of India's high-headedness and interference in country's internal affairs. Bangladesh streets are delivering a clear warning that hegemony overreach invites resistance. For South Asia to move forward, it must abandon big neighbor politics in favor of rule-based conduct, mutual respect, and non-interference. The lesson from Dhaka is unmistakable that popular will, once awakened, cannot be silenced without consequences.